Hey everybody, this is Julia from Hip Stitch in Albuquerque, your happy quilt shop, and we got some new fabric today. So I just wanted to share that with you. Let's call it an unboxing. You're gonna see we already opened it, but that's okay. We're gonna keep the suspense alive. You'll only see the top ones until I reveal them. So here is Pretty Petals. If you're familiar with Kimberbell, and we have a lot of Kimberbell fans at Hip Stitch, they have a line called Pretty Petals and they have added a cream, so that is lovely. And we also have some new solids from Kimberbell. This one's called Pebble Beach, and when you see it you will know why, because it does evoke the beach. We also got Whipped Espresso. Espresso. And then we also got Mountain Meadow, which is a beautiful green, and I think that's people are gonna love that one. I'm gonna get those out of my way, and now we're gonna move on to grunge. We did get a rogue bolt of grunge today, and that's because we have some back orders kind of slowly trickling into the shop. And this one is called, I don't remember, Peacoat. It's Peacoat Blue. And then I'm really excited to show these because I have been waiting to see what these look like in person. These are new tonals that we just got in, and they're actually Maywood fabrics also, which is who makes the Kimberbell fabrics. But they are a very subtle tone-on-tone print of fireworks and stars. And we've got it in blue and in cream and in this really, really beautiful deep red. And these are gonna be fantastic for you folks that like to make quilts of valor, or maybe you just need the perfect tonal red, because sometimes it's hard to find the right red. But any kind of patriotic theme or 4th of July themed quilt. You may have noticed we recently added some patriotic 3-yard quilt kits to the shop, and probably gonna make a few more of those out of these new fabrics. These are fun. That's all I've got for you today. Wasn't a big box, but hopefully we'll have more to show you soon. See you later.